here we are again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're returning, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you've ever watched, consider subscribing, do the like, all that good stuff. So here's the deal. We put diode dynamic LED bulbs in the third brake light housing, and they are super bright, especially the cargo bed lights. They're amazing. I'm still not happy with this look. I wish like heck Diode Dynamic would go ahead and build third brake lights, tail lights, headlights, because I know that they make stuff for different vehicles and everything as far as headlights and everything to put inside of your headlight to do the switchbacks and everything. I wish that they would just go ahead and take a leap of faith and start building them, because their stuff is amazing. They don't, so here we are. We're going to do the OPT-7 third brake light. Looks pretty good. I haven't taken this film all the way off or whatever, but it looks pretty good. As far as quality, I mean, it feels kind of chintzy to me. I don't know. We'll see. The foam seal looks to be pretty good. I'm not too worried about any kind of leaking or anything like that. So we'll see how bright it is. We'll get right at it. So to do this install, you're going to have to probably clear your calendar for at least a month to make it happen. You're going to need a whole bunch of tools. Oh, wait. So all you need is a torque wrench. Let me go ahead and stand up here. You go in here and you remove the two screws that are on the left and right of the light housing. Just like that. And once you get there, gently pull, and this whole piece comes out. Once you do that, you disconnect the one plug, set it off to the side, take your new plug, clip it in, and then you're going to want to wipe. It'd probably be better if you used paper towel and some Windex or something, or even alcohol, rubbing alcohol, to clean the seal real well, or the seal mating surface. But I'm not too worried about it because it's not really dirty. Push everything back in. There's a little set pin on one side. You just got to kind of line up, make sure that you get in place and clicked in. Take one screw, and this is where a lot of people get messed up, is whenever they go to tighten it down, they tighten it too much and they end up cracking the plastic housing. So just be mindful. Don't go all the way down with the first screw. Wait until you get the second one started. And then, kind of like your tire, you want to kind of go nice and easy and do it in even steps. So I'm going to do a little torque there. Come over here. Do a little torque there. Give it a little wiggle, make sure that it's nice and tight, but it's not over tight. Now, voila. Let's see what this thing looks like in action. This is DOT rated. A lot of places they say that you can't have any dark lenses or anything like that. I think this will be okay. However, your tail lights, if you're in Texas, you probably already know you're not supposed to have any tinted tail lights at all. And so I'm going to show you in the future what we're going to do to be okay with the law and everything. And there's good reason behind it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get some shots of this thing working, see what it looks like. So there you have it, the OPT-7 third brake light for the Colorado. I believe the box or on the website, it says it's not listed for a 19 or a 20 or anything like that. We have a 19, it goes to an 18, it works fine. I just watched the video playback and realized that one of the diode dynamic LEDs was not on, and I don't know how long it's been like that. Probably because I didn't have it pushed in all the way. When I pulled it out and got to looking at it, I was like, well, dang. So if you have any issues, just remember, play around with your LEDs before you start hooting and hollering and being mad. I'm going to hold on to the old light housing just because I've heard that there are some of these aftermarket lights and everything that just quit. And so we don't want to be without a working third brake light because it's illegal and, well, it's not safe. Anyways, if you decide that you want to go this route and get the OPT-7 third brake light, which, man, I think it looks really, really good. Can't wait to get the tail lights in, and we're going to do those. Here's a funny little thing, though. Miss Brandy doesn't know that that's on there now. So I'm going to wait and see how long it is before she notices it. Anyways, guys, if you decide that you do want to do the OPT-7 third brake light, there will be a link in the description below. Make sure that you click on it and use that link to get it. By doing so, it helps us out. It tracks everything that goes on with it. And eventually, we'll start getting some kickbacks and stuff like that off of the deal. Not right now, but eventually, maybe one day. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell so that way you get notified whenever a new video posts up. Thanks, guys.